Welcome to Swite Groups of Colleges. So, I have few questions for you. My first question would be during competitive events like Inspire, performance anxiety is common. What quick techniques can student use to stay calm before going on stage?
Yeah, thank you, Nidhi, for getting me to speak on this. Uh, it's but natural that if you have to go on stage, and once there is this word called competition, anxiety and nervousness come naturally. To my mind, it's my personal opinion that if you are well prepared and you are not looking over your shoulder for assistance from somebody, I think then in the initial 1 or 2, 3 minutes, probably you'll feel nervous and anxiety prone. But if you are well prepared and you've done your job before that, I think you'll get over it.
Yes, I also feel like
So it's
the same.
preparation.
Yes. Next question would be, sir, how can peer groups and friends play a positive role in supporting someone who may be struggling emotionally?
Very important. Uh, I have seen uh, there is a kind of informality uh, with teachers because they are, after all, teachers.
Yes.
Sometimes we do not open up so well with parents, especially with fathers, because they are actually the bread earners. But there is a slight bit of, especially for girls, they are more loved and pampered by fathers, but they tend to go more to their mothers, and and the wholesome advice may not be forthcoming from one parent. It is a thing. So what is happening these days, and it is for the good most of the times, that they fall back on peers. That's where the friends groups come into play. Now you have to be very careful in that also, because out of the 10 people whom you call friends, there are just 1 or 2 who are actually your friends.
Yes, absolutely.
So at times what happens is, if you share your problem with a group of people, out of which there are 8 of them who are not serious about sorting out your problem, they might make fun of it. But those 2 people you must recognize and make sure that if you have to tell a problem, then a peer group should only restrict yourself to those 2 to 3 friends whom you trust and who you feel would probably help you out.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. So, my last question would be if you could give one powerful mental health message to every student, what would it be?
I would say that you see, family is a very important organization in our scheme of things. And the best solace and stress buster comes from family in the Indian context. So try and be focused and glued to your family. That will give you a lot of solace and will probably be a great stress buster than anything else. The second stress buster, I feel, is having friends, having hobbies, having co-curricular interests, reading a lot, probably writing also when you this thing. So all these things contribute to positive mental health, and we must focus on that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
It's
Nidhi.
an honor to have you in our
Oh,
college.
it's my privilege.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.